We got our 2013 firework stash. Well, I'll hand you off. It's the big slum here. Okay, we'll start off with the small stuff. This we just for Brennan, our little brother. It's called Worms for Sale. It's just a little one. Little thing. Then we got him some crackling balls. Just some crackling right there. We got 2 Mars missiles. They're just a missile, basically. And then we got 2 big ones. I'll have to get on ignition. We got some Black Cat Magnum flashers. We did have another one though. We did have 2, but now I only have 1. We got some fuse. 4 grasses of Black Cats. Then we got some punks. 2 Dynamite 6. Pretty big. M77s. They're pretty big. About this is my finger. They're pretty big. 2 96 shot color pearls. Pretty good. We got 5 parachutes. This is just a big one in the daytime with 7 colors. Changing. And then we got 2 Sky Spiders by Black Cats. And then I got 2 Night Type Boomer brand with the white flare. Then we got some 2 color spaceships. Pretty good. We got some smoke bombs or smoke balls, whatever. Have a whole bunch of packs of these in them. Everybody knows what those do. Then we got a half a brick. I was gonna get a full brick, but I forgot. Then we got 4 crack shots, Roman candles. And then we got 8 highly charged. What these are, they're basically little dynamite, but they just have a different brand. By White and Hot. And we got 4 10-ball Roman candles by Boomer. And then we got 10 mini pearls by Black Cat, 10 shot. And then we got 6 power sticks with spike. It's pretty good.
Now we go to our kegs.
We got Twisted Up, 30 twisted shots, 500 gram cake. This that gives to us 12 shot, 500 gram Louis the Lip. We got a Peacock Fantail. It's pretty good. And then we got Eager Beaver, 182 shots. And then we got some X-Cals. Everybody knows what those are. And that's basically what they are. Artilleries. They're pretty heavy. But you can see some of the effects. It's pretty good. But 24 of those. We got the HDPE tubes. So they won't go everywhere after you. Then we got 4 festival balls. Those are pretty good. Here's ball shells. That's what they look like. We shot one off. Let's see what they look like. Then we got 2
mini bombs. They're basically
mini bombs.
artillery shells.
1-inch, 12 in a package. Then we got a Sky Lantern. Just to start off our 4th of July. We got 2 big brand neon tracers, 196 shot, Roman candle, 2 of them. And then we start getting into the rockets. We got a pack of 4 artillery shell called Streakin' by Power Source. We just got 1 individual to see if that's better, called Night Jazz, to compare it to these big bursts. And those are pretty good. Pretty heavy. And we got 2 of these assorted rockets, 10 in each one. But they're pretty good, 8 ounce. And we got 2 bottle rockets. I think 6 are in there. One's called, they're by Boomer brand, Flying Color Butterfly Rocket. The other one's called Cluster Bees. We got 2
Saturn missiles.
Saturn batteries by Red Rhino. And we got 1 big 100 shot by White and Hot. And we got 2 super snappers.
They're really good. They're like
They're
firecrackers.
like a firecracker size. Then we got 2 giant smoke bombs. And that concludes our 2013 fireworks stash. I'll show you guys again.